some screws here that allows you to adjust the backpack, the back to the front. So use it like this. I can see that for me it's a little bit too high, so I need to readjust this thing. So what I will do, just remove one to be easier for me to install the backpack. So now okay, it's a little bit too high. So now you can see I put it down to be on this part of my anatomy. So this one is very good. If I put it a little bit too higher, I cannot breathe. So it's very painful when you do Steadicam operation. So you go back and this one is very good position. So now I adjust this system. It's quite good. This one I need to adjust it. Yeah, it's very good. Not so tight because it can be painful for the shoulder. So now I feel good. I take from the tripod. All the time I will make the check if I have the two plastic pin on it. Very important not to lose it. Go on this side. Be careful for the pin. And now you can see click. So now you are here. Just tighten a little bit to secure it, to not go outside. So now to make in stress in the system, you do like this, just to activate the strap, because sometimes the strap can be a little bit too much straight and not used very well. So now I reactivate the system. 1-2 times it's enough. So now when I will be ready to take the camera, to be comfortable, you can say it like that. You can take with the left arm like this and it's very comfortable. So now I go to the camera. You see I bend just a little bit. I bend my knee. I put inside the system. Now I go in front of the system. You can see all the time like this. By the way, no, I make a mistake. When you put it like this, you must secure the system. You go out the security lock pin, and now you make the position movement. And you use it like this. All the time you have your arm like this position. You can see, like that. This one is to maintain the system. And this one, the left one, it allows to make the tilt. You can see how making the tilt. Just by pressing a little bit